Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add the YouTube audio library musics on your Davinci Resolve, then this video is for you. So first you have to simply, you can find different types of music in this section. You can go to your studio, create studio, and at the very bottom you can find audio library, where you can find all of the music here, and you can get a preview by simply click on this play button here, or you can add it to the favorite list of yours. So from here, if you want to use one of these sounds here, so you can simply click on here, and you can simply click on download button here. Simply click on download, and it will start to download this audio from here. So you have to wait until it downloads here. So here you can see it has just downloaded, and you can find it in the download section, probably if you set it to the download file, then, or otherwise you can simply click on this file button here to get the file location. Now you have to open the Davinci Resolve. So I'm going to open a project here. Now you have to go to that file location where you have just saved it or download it. Now you can drag and drop that audio file here, and you can add that, drag it down, and you can add that audio file in your this project. So just like this. I'm going to add a main track here, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Now that's how you can just simply use this one here, just like this. Let me just decrease the sound here. So you can find the audio section is here in this type. So I'm going to trim it. So you can just simply click on it, and you can simply trim it by Ctrl+B. If you click on Ctrl+B, then it will just cut that audio from here, and you can delete by backspace. Simply click on backspace button on your keyboard. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.